Hey, John. What's the matter, Bill? Something's wrong with the train. The brakes won't apply. Alright, let me dump the air. Still nothing, John. We're accelerating. Dispatch. Dispatch, go right ahead. Dispatch, we're accelerating into Vehicle Yard. What's the speed now? Over. 40, 43, 45? I suggest jumping off while you still have a chance. Roger that, Control. John, get your things, get ready to jump off. I was already ready. That was quite the fall. Wait, I just realized. There's a gas station and a water station at Vehicle Yard. Oh, I forgot about that. Oh no. We gotta alert the authorities.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the Escondido Police Department and the San Diego County Sheriff's Office. The Escondido Police Department and the San Diego County Sheriff's Office are advising all residents of Escondido to shelter in place. Please do not go outdoors, and remain away from windows and doors.
Nebraska lies in the heart of Tornado Alley and gets its share of violent.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the Escondido Police Department and the San Diego County Sheriff's Office. The Escondido Police Department and the San Diego County Sheriff's Office are advising all residents of Escondido to evacuate the surrounding communities that include San Marcos, Pale, Valley Center, the city of San Diego. At 11:59 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a massive fireball was spotted in the Gold Rail Yard near downtown Escondido. All residents are ordered to evacuate to the surrounding communities. The cause is reported to be from a runaway train that came from Stewart Messy Yard in Oceanside and lost its brakes before arriving at Escondido. The train was reported to be carrying the following: crane, wood planks, and a tank car carrying crude oil. The reason for the tank car in the train is unknown, but due to this tank car and the fire, an evacuation order has been issued in case a severe explosion occurs. Repeating, residents in Escondido are ordered to evacuate the surrounding communities for safety.
This is not looking good.
Deep water.
Evacuation for the city of Escondido. This message is being transmitted at the request of the Escondido Police Department and the San Diego County Sheriff's Office. The Escondido Police Department and the San Diego County Sheriff's Office are advising all residents of Escondido to evacuate the surrounding communities that include San Marcos, Palo, Valley Center, the city of San Diego. At 12:05 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a massive explosion occurred in the Gold Rail Yard near downtown Escondido. All residents are ordered to evacuate to the surrounding communities. The tank car carrying crude oil exploded due to rising temperatures of the fire, causing a boiling liquid expanding vapor explosion. Repeating, residents in Escondido are ordered to evacuate to surrounding communities for safety.